In this short video, I'll show you how to remove white background in Photoshop. Initial background removal. Rectangular marquee tool. Use this tool to select a small patch of the background color. Select Similar. Go to Select, Similar. This selects all pixels of that background color across the image. Delete background. Hit backspace on the keyboard to make the selected background pixels transparent. Edge cleanup. Fringe removal load selection. Hold Command, Mac or Control PC, and click the image thumbnail in the Layers panel. Create layer mask. Click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Enter Select and Mask. With the layer mask selected, go to Select, Select and Mask. Refine mode. Under the Refine mode setting, change the default to Color Aware. Refine edges. Use the Refine Edge brush tool to paint over the white colored edges that need cleanup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.